You're not here to just get your emails opened. You want clicks. And if that's what you're after, stick around because I've tested all the top email platforms and I'll show you exactly how to structure emails that actually get clicked. Plus, I've got a free trial to the software I use, exclusive to viewers of this channel, linked in the description if you want to follow along. Most people think if your subject line is good enough to get an open, that's the hard part. But the truth is, getting clicks is where the real strategy kicks in. Here's what makes the difference. First, your subject line should match your email content. If people feel tricked, they'll stop trusting you, and they definitely won't click. Use curiosity, but back it up. For example, what 93% of marketers are doing wrong with email sets up a problem. Your email better explain it and give them something actionable to click. Now, once they open, your first sentence needs to hook fast. Don't waste space with greetings or small talk. Hit them with a relatable problem or a surprising stat right away. This primes them to keep reading. Next, your email body needs flow. Use short sentences, break up text, and guide the eye. Think, one idea per paragraph. If it looks like a wall of text, they'll bounce. Use bold or bullet points to highlight key info they need before clicking. Then comes the offer or call to action. The biggest mistake? Hiding it at the bottom or only mentioning it once. Instead, tease it early, like in just a second, I'll show you exactly how to fix this. Then place your main CTA clearly in the middle and end of your email. Also, make your link sound like it gives them something, not takes them somewhere. Instead of click here, try see how it works, or get the free checklist. You're not asking for a click, you're offering value. Now let's talk about how this works in the software we're using today. I've tested tons of email tools, and this one stands out for one reason. It makes click-through optimization stupid simple. With drag and drop formatting, A/B testing, and click heat maps, you can literally see what's working. If you want to try it out, that free trial link in the description is just for Dan Thorne viewers. Quick tip while using the software, test two versions of your emails. One focused on emotional storytelling, the other focused on a quick benefit and bullet list. You'll quickly see which one gets more clicks, and the software helps you measure that without needing to be technical. Alright, so here's the key takeaway. Getting opens is easy with a good subject line, but getting clicks, that comes down to trust, structure, and strategic placement of value-driven links. Don't just write to be read, write to be acted on. To quickly recap, match your subject line with your email's content. Hook fast with a strong first sentence. Keep the layout clean and easy to scan. Mention your CTA more than once and make it benefit-driven. Use a platform that makes testing and optimization easy. If you want to apply this right away, grab the free trial in the description. It's exclusive to this channel and lets you follow along with everything I showed here. Thanks for watching. Now go send emails that get clicks, not just opens.